At Adept Precision, we create tooling designed and manufactured to meet any specification. Our Gloucester-based team have the expertise and capacity to run tools in a large range of high-grade aluminium and steels. Whether it's fast-track prototype tooling, short or long-term development, or bridge tooling, we have the knowledge to produce what you need when you need it. Working alongside Plunkett associates and using the latest SolidWorks CAD and CAM software and our in-house mold flow analysis system, we have the ability to design prototypes and to rectify potential design issues. Take advantage of our added value services. Be involved in tool trials. Let us help reshore your tool. We are here to help. Adept Precision. We do so much more.